Alright guys, so welcome back to a new video here from Siargao. We are just about to hit the scooter, and I think we're going to an island just down to the south here. So I think we'll need to sail for, I don't know, it's pretty close to here. Yeah, I think that's the plan for today, going to a nearby island. It should be an amazing, beautiful place, very good for hiking, and there should be some very beautiful places. I think that's the plan. First we'll go down to try to withdraw some money, and I also want to give you an update for the drone, because it looks like I found a shop in Cebu city selling the drone very cheap, and I think I'm going to buy it when we have a transit there in just a few days. But the problem there is that you have to pay with them cash, and getting enough money in cash to buy that drone, it's pretty difficult, I would say. I'll need to send some money to a company called Will Remit, and I have never tried it before. And then I can go down to a shop here in Siargao and collect the money from there. It should be safe enough, and I think that's what we are gonna do. I already sent the money. I just need to pick up the money from the store down here in Siargao, and hopefully everything will just work out, because I don't want any trouble with this. Hopefully everything will work out, and I think Will Remit is a reliable company, so that's good. Alright, so welcome to the harbor here in Dapa. We just negotiated with a boatman, and we are going to the island just beside here. It's called Casulian. I think, I have no idea what it's called. Something like that. I'll write it down below here what it's called. It should be an amazing place, a lot of beaches. Should be very beautiful. I'm excited about going there. Alright, so let's go. Yeah. So welcome to the island here of Casulian. The motor on the motorboat was so loud, so my ears right now are just stunned. I really can't hear anything. It's just crazy. But first sight, it looks nice. It's a very good place, and as I said before, for hiking. So I think we'll just go around and have a look. Look at all the dogs here. That's fun. Oh, look at her. Oh. Look at all the beautiful palms here on this island. It is exactly the same as at Siargao. There are so many palms. I love it. Wow. What a beautiful island. I'm exhausted. Hiking around with this bag, this is so hard, but the natural beauty of this place just makes everything totally worth it. It is so beautiful. We lost my father-in-law and the guide, and we had to hike ourselves and find the way, and I think we did pretty good actually. Wow, the landscape here, guys, what the freaking hell, it is crazy. I think this landscape is a filmmaker's dream. I'm like, please stop, Catherine, every, I don't know, 10th of a second, because we need to make some videos, please stop. It is just a dream, this landscape, and I'm pretty sure if you're a filmmaker you'll enjoy this island just so much. The landscapes here, they are just so raw, and it is just a dream to make videos out here, and it is just beautiful. Wow, so beautiful, green, and just there's some places that there's these single palms. Look at this single palm out here. I feel a little bit sorry for him. He's feeling so alone. I need a girlfriend. Actually, I think it's a sea. There's no nuts on the tree. Okay, so we came to a small little village here, and I don't know how, but we ended up here at a schoolyard, and we asked one of the teachers if we could take a look inside, and no problem. That's pretty interesting. So this is one of the rooms here in the school. The office. It's the office of the teacher. Teacher office. And the classroom here. I think it's like coming, I don't know, 50 years back. From Denmark. This is so funny to see actually. The alphabet is actually the same as we have back home. Almost. Okay. We didn't got a nk and a
Lightning strikes by my window, hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here.
Okay, so we just bought some small candy here from a small little local shop, and we gave the local kids here some of the candy. It's just, wow, this is amazing. I love it so much. Even the fact that I'm sweating as hell, situations like this is just unbelievable. I love it so much. So welcome back to the harbor here in Daba. We're just about, I don't know, 20 minutes driving away from General Luna, where we live. And if you are a surfer, you probably don't know Siargao here for the beautiful nature around. You'll probably know it for surfing. It is just a surfing hotspot here. And actually just beside our city where we live, in General Luna, there's a place called Cloud 9. And Cloud 9, if you're a surfer, you probably already know what I'm talking about. And I don't know a lot about it, but I know that Cloud 9 is just a famous place for surfers. There should just be these huge waves, and actually it is where there is held the World Championship in surfing. So it is a very famous place for these surfers, and I think it's cool. I think maybe tomorrow we'll try to rent a board and go out to surf if we have time for it. I really hope, fingers crossed. I really love surfing, and I'm very bad at it, but I think it's nice. I love to do it. Alright, so welcome to Cloud 9 here. We got some time left before the sun set, and actually it should be a very nice place to watch the sunset, so that's probably what we're gonna do. But unfortunately it just started to rain, and yeah, my mic is actually not waterproof, so I really gotta be careful. I think I'm gonna put it in my bag and just make some cinematics. Let's do some cinematics. That was crazy. What a crazy thunderstorm. And actually I think it was a storm as well that we went through at Cloud 9. Wow, it was just crazy. I live in a windy country, so I can say when there is a lot of wind, this was just crazy. And I had all my drone gear, everything in my bag, and it is not waterproof, but we went home, and yeah, we just spent a few hours inside of the room, and I have been transferring some files, so I have space to make new videos, and everything is good. Wow, I really can't get over that storm. That was just crazy. Now we are just about to have some dinner here at the resort. So here I'm getting a chicken bacon burger with the fries and a San Miguel. It's nice. And Catherine is eating cheese, so she's in heaven. And Klaus, what are you eating?
I can't remember it.
Please tell me.
Chicken.
Chicken something.
But parmesan.
That's a good dish. Chicken something. Alright guys, so I'm gonna end the vlog right here. We're gonna sleep very early today so we can get something out of the day tomorrow, because we need to leave tomorrow. I think it's tomorrow afternoon, something like that. So we're gonna wake up very early tomorrow morning so we can still explore Siargao here. Until then, click the subscribe button, like my video, share my videos to your friends and families, and guys, bye bye. See you tomorrow.